Hello everyone, welcome to my project. My name is Goulder-Horobin. I'm the CEO of Renting Technologies, and this is my entry for the MeDo Hackathon. This app has been completely built in the MeDo program. You can see I've done about 45 versions of this. I've gone through the whole gist of it, and this is my project. So this is a project that's kind of designed to help you build what's known as a sprint, 7-day validation sprint. What this means is, let's say you are building a project and you're about to launch your project. You put in all your details, your name, type, description, and so forth and so forth. You pick a date, and what happens is the application, based on the things that you're worried about, maybe you're worried about technical risk, maybe you're worried about marketing, and some assumptions you're making, and so forth. You put all this information in, and it deterministically tells you what you have to look out for, what the risks you face, and so forth and so forth, right? It tells you a bunch of information to help you plan out your 7 days to get your launch sorted, right? You know, if your target launch date is like the deadline is tomorrow, next day, next week, and so forth. Usually it's about 7 days, but it's always custom, 7-day validation sprint. But yeah, so the live demo just uses like example information. So like a product launch with an idea with a deadline of June 11th. What it does is it gives you a set of tasks. Sorry about that. It gives you a set of tasks to process. So it says you can do this first, then this, and it gives you things to do. Like you've got an amazing project you've got to build. It will give you information to help you launch your product. So deliverables board, it basically gives you what you have to put out. And the idea is that you want to minimize your risk, and this gives you that information to minimize your risk. And on the roadmap, what'll happen is it'll give you there'll be like some AI implementation in the back end. It'll be very minor, but if we run the risk engine, and it basically tells you that if you have, if the project were to fail, what would be the risks of why it would fail, and you want to work backwards from that and solve that. So yeah, this whole thing was built in MeDo, and thank you very much, guys. Have a good one.